Hello guys, it's Rob from Maniacs. Okay, let's try to open some packs. Are you guys ready? Let's do it. First, let's open some scouts. Okay, let's go with this 1-star scout. And a 2-star. And one 3-star. Okay, I think we're ready. Okay guys, we have 7 silver plus packs, but first we're gonna open one 4-pack regular agent. Let's see if we get something or not. Okay, nothing as expected. Let's convert in a trainer. Okay guys, let's open the packs. Shit, nothing. Okay, MDRs, I don't know about him. Let's keep him like this. Next pack. Same result. 70 rated center forward. I also don't know about it. We got 5 packs still left. Okay, a gold ball. Let's see. Benedetto, Boca Juniors. I don't know about him. I just want this guy. Okay, another gold. Who's this? Banega of Seria. I gotta check if he's going to be black ball or not. I don't think so. Okay. Another gold ball. It's a hat trick of gold balls. I got Klein of Liverpool. Okay. But I want a black ball, man. Same shit. Where's my black ball? Oh shit. Okay. No need. We'll just release it. Okay, this is the last pack of the silver. Let's see what we're gonna get. Still nothing. Okay, Durmisi. Release that. Okay, we got some coins, so we're gonna open this box draw, this Argentinian 60 stars box draw, and let's see if our luck favors or not. Okay guys, this is our last box draw of the evening. Let's see what it's gonna get. Gold. I already have Paris. Shit. Okay, I will just train him and I will get the maximum. Oh guys, there's a bit of advice. So if you have duplicate players, you can try to get a similar player for the third time, so you can exchange with another player of same rarity. And if you want, you can also limit break him, so you will get the full, fully trained player in PES 19. So this is my squad, this is my player list. That's it guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks guys.